Are you lonely? I'll be the only thing you see. So if you're if you're lonely, come be lonely with me. What's up, chat? Chatalinon. Look at all you good boys waiting at 9 p.m. dropping everything to join the stream. Look at, we've got a bunch of good boys in here, bro. Yeah, don't ever call me love again, bro. What the fuck? Shinobi. Calm down, G. I dropped your child. You dropped your child for stream nudity. I expect nothing less. Guys, when you get the stream nudity, you need to be running. You're on the Stairmaster right now? Look at bro getting healthy and shit. What a weirdo. What a fucking loser, am I right? Ah, look at me. I want to be all healthy and shit. And improve my financial situation. Fucking weirdo. Kidding. I'm just a kidding. Bro, why is my Elgato not working? W hater? Bro. I don't think you guys know, I'm a retired hater. I used to be such a good hater back in the day. I was the GOAT hater. When you retiring? Retiring from what? Retiring from trading? Retire from bodybuilding? Oh, I retired from being a hater. I was about to say, bro, I'm gonna trade for the rest of my life, probably. I ain't never stopping. Well, I don't want to short so bad. Am I retarded? You are retarded if you want to short this. In my honest, humble opinion. And you guys know I'm humble as shit. You giving an account today blew my last one on that trade. What trade are you talking about? The one where we made 1,800 on? What? You guys will never make me feel bad if you're blowing accounts with my trades, because that just means you're like a different level of stupid, because my trades are all 10-point stop losses. That means you either fucked up on your own and then took my trade, or you just size like an idiot. It's one or the other. Place a trade with your tip on stream. Yo, guys, That's a tough one, bro. That's a tough one for sure. That is a tough one. Full show. Sometimes I wonder how far gone the plot is with some of you guys, bro. 408.5. Let's see if we get filled. What's your bias on not being short? What's your bias for being short? Why the first limit? This 5-minute gap. Honestly, I'm not that confident in it, but we're also at this little order block here. So, this one, I want this 15-minute untouched gap if we get it. We also had a 15-minute gap here, which also happens to be a unicorn. For going long, the daily inverse fair value gap. We're going to all-time highs, guys. Recession canceled. Recession is canceled. We're going for all-time highs. Oh, we just got filled. Let's see what happens here. This is you bouncing. Order flow confluences behind the trade. You're asking too many questions, bro. You're not getting that. Why are you looking for longs? What's your bias? Daily inversion, guys. The only reason any of you guys want to be short right now, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly why, is because you guys missed the move up and you're just like, oh, it can't keep going higher. Right? That's the only reason I think anyone's trying to short this. Look at the daily time frame and look at me with a straight face and tell me that this range that we broke out of, where we were chopping sideways for a while, where we swept the low and then pushed past higher and displaced higher. Tell me why you guys want to short that. Instead of asking me why I want to long, tell me why you think it's going to short. What do you guys see anywhere on this higher time frame that is valid for shorts, right? The only reason you guys want to short, and I'll tell you guys this right now because I used to be the same way, you missed the entire move up. You've been trying to short since down here, right? And then you keep thinking one of these PD arrays is going to reject, but then now it's come back all the way to all-time highs after a 6,000 point drop, and now you're trying to catch another drop because you missed this drop, started shorting late, you missed this entire move up, and now you want to catch a big move to the downside. The market is always going to go up because that's how it's designed, right? No matter what, go on to the biggest time frame you have. The market's literally only designed to go up. Literally. Okay? So you look at this, every single drop, it's just a false breakout to the downside. Every single drop you guys see is a false breakout to the downside. Every single drop you guys see, false breakout to the downside. Every single last one, right? The market is literally just to go higher. The market is literally designed to go higher. So when you guys are trying to trade retracements, you guys have to understand, right? There's a difference between a move and a retracement, right? So say there's a large move, this is a retracement. There's a large move, this is a retracement, right? So you're telling me that you guys would rather miss out on this but catch this and this, right? Like you guys would rather play the retracements. It's like instead of shorting, right? Instead of shorting trying to catch these retracements and catch these tiny ass moves, you could wait for the retracement to happen to catch the move higher, right? And the only reason I'm saying this is because a lot of times the people come into my streams, they're like, oh, why do you have this bias? Why do you have this? And I break it down, and then it doesn't match what they were thinking. They just want to be like, oh, you're wrong, I'm right. The reason I'm not looking for shorts This could go down. This could retrace, right? But you also see down here, I have another long limit. So we could go down another 60 points. But I trade my plan, right? And I think that we're going to go for all-time highs on NQ again. And I don't want to be the person that's trying to short all-time highs over and over and over again. You guys get it? We're up $120 here. And then I gotta move this over here. Hold on, guys. You get it. I'm not trying to be like a dickhead or whatever, but I'm just trying to explain. The reason I get so, not angry, but it's because I'm passionate about this shit. A lot of the things that you guys ask me questions about are things that I used to mess up. And so when I see you guys asking those questions, I'm like, bro, I wish I could go back in time and tell myself, stop doing this bullshit. Just because the market goes higher doesn't mean I have to try and catch the top every time. We bottom ticked that, by the way, in case anyone cares. And then this is the Apex account we're trading. There we go. So what I want to see here now is I want to see us inverse that 5-minute gap. But on the 1-minute time frame, you guys can see we inversed this 1-minute gap. So we theoretically should not continue lower. So I'm going to move my stop to break even. Moving my stop to BE, as the kids say. Stop loss move to break even. There we go. All right. Do you basically use ICT and order flow together? Yes. For a while, how you're doing, Shinobi? I'm good, Bernardo. Explains a lot. Thanks, Shinobi. Which key level are you using for entry this trade? Show us the confluences. I already went over that. The only thought to shorts is us being overextended. Guys, overextension isn't a thing, bro. If being overextended was ever like a real confluence, right? RSI traders would be profitable. Overextended is just it's just not a real thing. If you did short it, would it only be a scalp, or would you? I'm not even looking for shorts, guys, if I'm being completely honest. I'm not looking for shorts at all right now, because in the past I've seen this happen multiple times where, like, there's bad news, there's this, but the technicals tell me long, but I'm just trying to play like I'm an economist. Like, I'm going to trade to my strengths, and right now I believe that we continue higher. If I was to take a short, I'd be trading against the trend. I'd be trading a way worse risk to reward. I would probably top tick. I mean, you guys know me. I would probably fucking top tick it. But is it worth me trying to short this rather than just wait for a pullback to long? Like, look at this trade right now. We bottom ticked it. It's up $120 on this 300 account, right? Our stop loss is break even. Worst case scenario, we lose nothing on this trade. I'd rather this stop me out break even and go to my lower fill and that bounce from there rather than me trying to keep shorting pops like this. When you doing the next lifetime discount? Probably not for a little bit, bro. How much size did you use for your PA? 2 minis. Does WOB only trade order flow? Yes. What did you say in Discord that the market is made to go up? Yeah, I just went over that. The market's literally designed to go up. Every single move down ever has just been a false breakout to the downside. Like, if over the course, I guarantee you guys, over the course of a year, 2 years, if you look at all your trades, and then you look at the money you made longing versus shorting the market in day trades, and then you just took away all the trades that you shorted on, you would have made so much more money. What about oversold? Oversold isn't a thing either, bro. Get the mind oversold and overbought out of your head, bro. The market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. That's the first thing you guys need to get through your heads. That's the first thing people know about the markets, is the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. You could keep trying to short these moves up. The market will keep going up until you have no money left. The market can keep going down until you have no money left. On order flow, probably volume clusters. People are just designed to counter trend trade, bro. Because they want to catch the top. They don't... Like, right now, if we look at this, you're most likely going to think this is going to dump. Just because it's way too high in your eyes. Ready? Like, I'll give you guys an example. Let's find a decent example. Like, people probably thought this move was way too high, right? That it's going to break down. Oh my god, break a structure to the downside with an imbalance. And then it does this. Oh my god, it's too high here. Yeah, it comes down. And then right back up. That's just how it works. Alright, I got to stop break even on the remainder of that. Why did it stop me for red on that, bro? I got slipped on that shit. What the fuck? I got slipped. $22,432, and then you had 16 points of drawdown. That's not a top tick, bro. TBH. Unless you did it here, but then you missed the top. You're fired up? It's because I missed one day of fucking streaming. Wait, did you long? Yeah, I got stop break even. You guys should be able to see if I long or short on my screen. Do you target the high or low of the 4 hour? It depends. Lot depends. Bro, full screen it, bro. I can see it completely fine on my screen. Hold on, let me check on my phone. If I check on my phone and I can see the limit, no, I'm gonna slap you. Bro, I literally see it. You know what's crazy? You could also zoom in and really see it if you want to. What broker do you use? I use AMP Live. And then my prop firm that I use is Apex, if you guys couldn't tell. It's literally everywhere. Let's see what we get. Dumbass chat. Literally. 2.5 points of drawdown. Good trade, bro. Good trade. Also, one thing that you guys really need to get better at that I see a lot of people do, get better at literally just moving your stop to break even. A lot of people, I see them just get married to their fucking trades. Oh, it has to go. I have such a good entry, blah, 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 blah. Bro, just put your stop loss break even and call it a day. Stop being gay. Where's your second limit? It's pretty far away right now. It's all the way at 341. What about it? And we inverse this 5-minute gap here. Dude, if you guys, the 2R method, if you're, oh, I wait to get to 2R before I go break even, really depends on your stop loss, right? My stop loss is 10 points, so for me to go 2R, it's 20 points. Most of you guys, like, bro, I'll see people take this bullshit, bro. I can't believe people trade like this. A 30-point stop loss, bro. And this is what they'll trade. This is how I used to trade, bro. I can't, like, this is such, like, I never liked trading like this. Imagine trading and having this much stop loss, bro. This is pathetic. Mitchell, why do you trade ES, bro? Move to MNQ or NQ. I tell Wob the same thing, bro. ES sometimes, bro, it's just like, ES sometimes, like, dude, it's so hard to get like 5-10 points on that shit sometimes. Let's trade Plat. Bro, there's no trade on Plat. I made like 4,000 on Plat today. How do you decrease your stop loss? By getting better entries. Order flow directly correlates to ES. Yeah, it directly correlates to ES, but I use ES order flow to trade NQ. Because they're correlating assets. Do you think it's going down? I don't know, bro. I don't flippin' know. I'm waiting for my filled, which is lower, so... Yeah, why are you looking at enter 341? It's this 15-minute gap that we have not touched yet. So in this entire leg, in this entire move up that we have, right? If we go ahead and we draw out the gone box, it's the CE of this range. It's in a discount. It's a 15-minute gap, which also happens to line up with, oh my gosh, you guessed it. Is that a unicorn? And then for my fellow Gone Box enjoyers, those who know how I like to trade. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh my god. Is it that at the 25% of the fucking unicorn setup on the 15-minute time frame? No. Guys, you could get way better entries if you idiots, stupid idiots, started to use OTE inside of your PD arrays. Scare me, bro. You did that voice way too well. Bro, it's the easiest thing to do a gay voice, bro. You just get zesty with it. Too zesty. You guys say this? God forbid. I say some funny shit, bro. Also, I need to upload a YouTube video. Would they smack you, bro? My parents wouldn't smack me. They'd laugh now. Back in the day, they would slap me. Yo, guys, I want to start dropping more YouTube videos. I need some YouTube video idea suggestions. And you guys all better watch it too, cuz I want to get hella hella views. Do a podcast with Umar. That's my most viewed video, bro. Psychology, finding your bias, basic shit. Top 10 outfits for a Sunday coffee walk with the boys. I like that. Ladyboy experience in Thailand. Yo, let me write these down, bro. Let me write these down. Every loss, one chip challenge. Yo, you guys are weird. Do a Riz video. Bro. Trade breakdowns get hella views. No, they don't, bro. I did trade breakdowns 5 days in a row, and one of them didn't even get 1K views. How to deal with losses. Cry in the corner. Like, day in the life of your toilet seat. Dude. Your entry model. Bro, I would delete my channel before I give away my entry model. For the free ski. How to find the truz and top tick them. Alright, so to find the truz, bro, all you have to do is find one truz and then just have her introduce you to the other truz. Video on spreads? What do you mean video on spreads? Like, here's the bid, here's the ask. This is the spread. You still trade order flow? Yes. What broker do you use? I use AMP. Video on 0 DTEs. Alright, guys. These are options contracts that expire today. Close them before they're negative 99%. Credit, debit spreads and all. Bro, I don't even trade credit and debit spreads. Why would I make a video on that? What do you think about market profile theory? I don't really trade that, to be honest. I'm assuming you're talking about market maker buy and sell models. When does bros sleep? To be honest, from like 5 a.m. to like 11 in the morning. Like TPO and volume profiles? I don't use TPO and volume profiles. You don't trade in New York? I do trade New York. I was live all day. I fell asleep trading New York today. New York AM? I don't like New York AM as of recently. Guys, another thing you guys need to understand is just because everyone trades a certain session doesn't mean you have to, bro. Like, I'm gonna keep it a buck. New York AM session sucks ass, bro. I fucking hate it. Like, I don't know why people willingly, like, people want me to trade it so bad, like, in the Discord. I'm like, bro, New York PM is way better than AM. By the way, I have you on my PC, iPad, and phone. I love you so much, Dad. Can't wait for you to come home. I'm never coming home. Tell your mom to move on, bro. I'm never coming home. Permission to day ride? Permission granted. You need to sleep? Don't tell me what to do. Alright? I got one of these for you. You need a vacation? I just got back from vacation. I was streaming during vacation, bro. I don't think you guys remember. What if we kaboom the Uni and the Reaper? What? Shinobi helped me make a band last Thursday. My girlfriend took me back. Life is good. Yo, shout out Olaf, man. Let's get some W's in the chat for Olaf. Not a single W came in. What the fuck? There's a Reaper FVG. Bro, I don't give a shit about Reaper FVGs, bro. I don't know what that is. I hope you guys know. ICT literally got so bored of like just bullshitting. He started making random shit to see if it sticks. Alright, guys. The inverse Reaper fair value gap.
Nation, booby.
Yo, where the fuck did you just come from? You scared me.
Why?
Bro, because I'm streaming right now, and then I was just talking to my chat, and then you just appeared out of nowhere.
Me too.
Dude, don't come in here promoting and shit. Don't come on here and rapping and shit, bro.
Who's that, please? You in anything?
No, I had longs got stopped break even. I have a long limit.
Short down to that daily fair value, inverse fair value gap. See the daily inverse gap?
Yeah. Look at.
We could retest that.
Look at 341. That's also
time frame?
15 minute, or look at it from the 5 minute, and then go to the 15-minute time frame. It's a unicorn, and it's also matches up with the 50% of the range.
Little bitch and Q, bro. Edge the fill by 2 points there, guys. Absolute. Almost in a battle there.
I'm out here rapping and stacking, making it happen. Oh, let me stop.
My limit is still there, guys.
Yo, look at Key, did you look at that 15-minute that I was talking about?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, that's where I would, if I was you, that's where I would sell my shorts and long the boat. I only like short, like, I only like longs here. Not schlongs, not short-term longs, like, but actual longs.
Yeah, I do too. I'm just shorting down to the longs. Type beat.
Yeah. Type beat.
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Goody Two Shoes. Mr. I don't say shit. Type beat, bro. That was like a thing when I was in 7th grade.
Yo, Shinobi, bro.
Oh my god, spit. Why is it not like letting me know when people join the call, bro? That just irritates me.
I don't know.
What's good?
But, you know, you can only take 50% out of alpha.
Really?
Yeah, they only let me withdraw like 4.2 or some shit.
No way. Is that why you're going to be using code OBI with Apex Trader funding? To get 80% off?
Wait, that could be why I might do that.
Exactly.
Wait, I could use code OBI.
Yeah, it's code OBI and you get 80% off and like a lowered activation fee. In case you were wondering. That's what the Apex Trader funding.
That's a really good deal.
Yeah, no, right?
Everyone should do that.
No, everyone should. You want to tell everyone?
I just did. Everyone should use code OBI.
Yeah, you guys heard him. Use code OBI on Apex Trader funding.
Yeah.
Wait, so why do they only let you withdraw 50%? I thought their payout cap was 15K.
Yeah, but only 50% of your profits.
Whoa, that was not in the document they gave me.
Yeah, I know, right?
That's crazy. Where are you at right now, bro?
I'm at KFC, bro.
Of course you are. Well.
How long are you going to be on for?
Probably like 2-3 hours, maybe.
Okay, cool.
Alright. Shinobi, isn't your birthday tomorrow? Yeah. Bro, I have a fun stream idea, bro. I think I'm going to wear like a little happy birthday thing, like the little cone thing. And it's going to say happy birthday on it, and I'm going to cut a cake on stream. That'll be fun. Giveaways? Yeah, I'm going to give away like 10 accounts tomorrow. Why are you only long when there's a lower high at high prices? Johnny, I'm not gonna explain why my long thesis again. I spent like a good 20 minutes explaining it. If you guys want to short, you could short. Let me trade how I trade. You're 23. I turn 23 tomorrow. Should I stream? Yo, should... Oh, no. I can't stay on stream until midnight. Because I don't have any of the birthday... I had such a good idea for a birthday stream, bro. I was going to set up, like, little banner and shit. So I can't stream until midnight today. Because then it won't be the birthday stream until tomorrow. But I'm going to do it tomorrow. I just turned 21 today. Happy birthday, Brian. You're 23? I'm 22. I turned 23 in like 3 hours, bro. How are you gonna give the accounts randomly? I don't know. I might do some trivia. Whose setup is that in the back? That's mine for like editing and stuff, but I might do a YouTube video where I teach like one of my cousins how to trade. But I don't know. Alright, Unk for real? Alright. I thought 22 was a joke. Bro, I swear on my life I'm 22 right now. Hold on. Where does it say my birthday on here? I should probably tape it off. And then show you guys. Because I don't trust you guys. One of you guys is gonna open credit cards under my account. Teach one of your viewers to trade. They gotta live with you, bro. See, like that's just not happening. Like I love you guys, I do, but if I don't know you, bro, I can't have you at my house. Why is this tape see-through, bro? We buying? Hold on. I'm gonna prove to you guys that I'm freaking... $22.
Shinobi.
What's up?
I just missed you, bro. I wanted to hear your voice.
Oh, bro, I missed you too. Is it...
Like, did you miss... Do you really? Were you just saying that just because I said it, so like you have to?
Honestly, if you want me to be honest, I only said it because you said it, bro. Oh, no, I'll tell you who's the piece of shit. You're lucky I didn't tell the stream what you did to me.
I didn't do anything.
No. Yo, chat. You know what? I don't even want them finding out, bro. I got too much love for you.
Bro, I'm fine. Bro, I'm on the hunt for it, bro. Don't worry. I'm gonna find
Bro, they only make like 10 of those per batch. And that one was...
You think I can't find one of the 10 people?
No, you can't. Because I tried.
Why'd you try? Were you gonna do it yourself?
No, I wanted to find it so I can send it to you.
That's not funny.
No, guys, I'm putting tape over my driver's license so you guys can't see like where I live and stuff. And I'm gonna show you my date of birth. Do you guys see it? Are you showing it? Yeah, I am. Date of birth June 26, 2002. We blow New Jersey first. You should teach felons how to trade. What stream are you streaming from? New Jersey. That's such a weird question. Out of what state are you streaming from? Oh, the tape is in the way. 3 houses from Joe Rogan. It's time to start looking for the retirement home, bro. Yo, how old is everyone in this chat right now? How old is everyone in this chat right now, bro? This motherfucker's 23. I'm 22. I turned 23 in a few hours, bro. Let me enjoy my. You guys are making my last few hours of being 22 live in hell right now. All right. Let me be a happy 22-year-old. 20, 23, 19, 20, 18. Yo, for everyone calling me Unc, bro, and that's like 18, 19, bro. I had my first mill at 19, bro. My first mill was at 19, bro. If you don't have your first mill at 19, bro, I don't want to hear it, bro. You know that in 2 years you're gonna be in your mid-20s, bro. When I'm 25, I'm officially pushing 30, bro. Bro's out of midlife crisis right now, dude. You guys make me feel so old, bro. I'm not turning 23 on stream, bro. I'll have a birthday stream tomorrow that I want to play now. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it tonight, though. Whoa. I almost lost the authenticity card from my Archer inlay by Tactile Knife Company. I was training at 14. Oh my god, dude. Go play some Fortnite, bro. Like, bro, I had a kid hit me up. He was like, yo, I'm 13. I'm trying to make it like you. And I was like, bro, shut the fuck up and go play some fucking COD, bro. Worry about money some other time. Like, it's not a flex that you're trading at 14, bro. Like, go have fun, bro. You're gonna have the rest of your life to have to worry about money, bro. Dude looks like he has a mortgage and 4 kids. Yo, Nahal, dude, you said you live in South Jersey, bro. Come run this fade, bro. Shinobi. You actually made your first mill at 19? Yes. My first 100K was at 18. My first mill was at 19. You guys know what's crazy? I didn't even start like a Discord or anything until I was 20. Teach your kids and they'll never be hungry. Bro, I don't have kids right now, bro. Unk. Yo, you guys are the worst, bro. When I started like trading, it wasn't like when I started making money, it's because I was a graphic designer at first. That's how I was making money. And then I used that to fund my trading. That's how I bought my first laptop, all that sort of stuff. I'll have a kid tomorrow. My girlfriend giving birth today. Bro, what are you doing in the street, bro? Go take care of your girlfriend, bro. What's your net worth now? Do you want before tax or after tax? He wants a Rolex root beer for his birthday? Dude, I don't even think I'm getting anything for my birthday. That's why I'm on stream, bro. I hit up one of my friends, Ahmed, bro. I was like, yo, what are you doing on the 26th? He's like, oh, that's your birthday, right? I was like, oh, what are you doing on Thursday next week, Wednesday next week. I asked him this last week, and he was like, bro, like, I'm probably busy. He's like, oh, wait, that's your birthday? He's like, nah, we'll figure something out. I'm like, bro, it's all good, bro. It's all good. Like, I don't even want to, bro. Did bro ever get you that knife? No, bro, it's sold out because this idiot is stupid. She's passed the fuck out from the epidural. Damn, bro. And you're in my stream right now. Dude, sometimes I'm just like, damn, bro. Like, is the stream that entertaining? Like, we're waiting for Price to just do something here. And people are, like, watching the stream. Like, we had someone watching from the fucking penitentiary or some shit. 25th or 26th? Mine's the 26th. Didn't you go to uni and then drop out? Yeah, I dropped out of college after my 3rd year. Do you teach your entire strat and model in the Discord? I teach my entire strategy and all the components of it. I don't teach the exact model. Because my model's very discretionary. There's not really a way to teach it, you know? And Keyflow's car and make it say Keyflow, that would be hilarious. Yo, when's the new iPhone coming out, bro? My phone's broken. How long do you stay on stream? Minimum 2 hours. Do you do one-on-one mentorships? Yes, but they're closed right now. You can apply for it, but it's closed. Yo, the new MacBook is gonna have OLED? Oh, that's sick. Do you know or invest into XRP? I sold my XRP. You see my podcast with a car a long time ago? Fire. What broker do you use for 300 account challenge? I use AMP Futures. AMP. How long did it take you to consistently top and bottom tick? Believe it or not, bro, I was a middle ticker for a long time, bro. Like, probably this year is when I actually started to focus on just getting sniper-ass entries. Honestly, it all changed when I started using order flow. That's how you really get top and bottom ticks. How do I grow up to be you? Damn, bro. You got to start by running at least 20 miles a day. Strict diet. 1,000 push-ups first hour you wake up. Drink a lot of water. You need a Laurel Piana hat. You got to hit the gym 7 times a week. Trading's more fun when you top and bottom tick? Yeah. Said to be you, not to be you, not to be you. What? Net worth check after taxes? Bro, I'm not telling you guys my net worth, bro. What are you guys, the IRS? You streaming on Discord after this stream? Probably not, bro. I'm probably going to play Fortnite. If I'm being completely honest. Sounds the opposite of you. Because his girl was in his stream and I said he's cheating on you? No way. Hold on. Let me tell Keyflow. Can we get your Gmail? No. What is wrong with you guys, bro? What's your current view on the current market? We might get a pullback for longs. How much did you make just today in total? Does that count course subscriptions? Trading, I made 1,700. Let's see how much I made from the Discord today. From the Discord today, we made $0. Yesterday, we made $0 from the Discord. What's the most you ever made in a single trade? The most I made in a single day trade was like 40K in like 5 minutes. He was serious with that girl? Yeah, bro. Key changed ever since he got that girl. Wait, she was on his stream? Like, he was talking to her on stream? What's the broker for a 300 account challenge? It's AMP Futures. Bro, I really wish Futures brokers did deals, bro. You know how many people I probably sent to AMP? Just by talking about them? You know, we have to promise them a dream like the set and forget guy. Alright, guys, if you join my Discord, you will make $1 bajillion. That's me being sarcastic. You and Luke put everyone on? Onto what? Yeah. On AMP we did. How do we join the Discord? The Discord, I have the free trial running. I took away the lifetime discount. Acting like she's his wife. Bro, I'll tell you guys some funny stories about Key and his girl, but she's actually pretty cool. I think they're actually going to get married. If she's a baddie, are you doing a one-on-one? I actually had a baddie DM me trying to do a one-on-one mentorship, bro. I'd tell her nah. Luke Trent scam allegations? Bro, dude, the guy said Luke was completely innocent. The guy's like, oh, I paid 3 bands. He only paid 500, and the reason Luke kicked him out of the Discord was because the guy had his own mentorship. He sold $500,000 in fucking shit. In, like, mentorships. So then Luke was like, yo, he's just gonna take my information and resell it. How much should I save before getting a live account? Just trade prop firms first, bro. You can trade a 50K prop firm with 16 bucks using code OBI on Apex Trader Funding. Get a payout, use that payout to then fund your live account. Is this girl bad? Oh, you're the sister guy? Is this girl bad or what? I'm not going to say if this girl's bad or not, bro. Like, that's my friend's girlfriend, bro. I sound like a weirdo talking about that shit. She's a cool person. I fuck with her. From the one time I talked to her, she was cool. I'll tell you whose girl isn't bad, bro. His name starts with Wob Trent. No, I'm playing. I'm sorry. That was too far. How's trading London sessions? 6 or 7 a.m.? It's at 3 a.m. for me. No, go from My Funded Futures. Go to Apex, bro. Stop trading My Funded Futures. Where's my girl? Bro, even if I had a girl, the last person I would tell is Keo Tran and my stream, bro. Last person I would tell. What's your opinion on options? Bro, I made my first million trading options. Are there 2 different Apexes? No, it's Apex Trader Funding. You could use the link in the description to go to the right one. Where do you live? Dude, what's wrong with you? What? Where do I live? Have intraday drawdown limit? Yes, I think so. They have trailing drawdown, which is ass, but once you get past that, bro, you can't scale any firm like you can scale Apex. Why the fuck is this guy telling him where? How do you guys know I live in Jersey, bro? Do you have a video on options trading? Yeah, on my very first few videos are about options trading. Like my first like 20 videos. Yo, bro. Yo, mods banned. Mods, time this guy out, bro. Where's your price? Latitude and longitude? Oh. Alright, yo. I love. This is why I love streaming, bro. Because it's like, if I wasn't, if I, is this 80 or 90%? It's 80% off with Apex, but. Bro, talking about 10% like it's crazy. But, like I said, guys, the reason I like streaming so much is look at how we're all bullshitting, blah, waiting for a fill to happen. Bro, if I was sitting here by myself, I'd literally be like this. Just doom scrolling, bro. This is literally what I would be doing. And I'd look over, see I'm not close, I'd just go back.
That'd be weird. Like,
You make me feel like a fool.
oh yeah.
And that's what I'd be doing. Where did you sleep last night? What? What's the trade thesis? I already went over it, but it's the 15-minute unicorns, the 25% of that. Can you talk about your trade? I already did, bro. I don't want to talk about my trade over and over again. Same old, you know? Actually, I'll talk about it one more time. So, if we go to the 15-minute, this is a breaker block lining up with a unicorn setup. And then if I go out and I draw the 50% of this leg, you guys will see it matches into that area. So that's why I'm looking along this PD array specifically. But what kind of question is, where did you sleep last night? Like, that's crazy. Are you ever going to trade minis on this account when it's over 3,000? Yeah. Don't you understand it's a joke because I really don't care? You think I was being serious? Like Pascal? Hold on, let's go to your YouTube channel. Let's check out Pascal. I don't even know. I don't even know, bro. At a girl's place or your home? Oh. I slept on the couch, bro. Why over 3,000 and not 2,000? Because over 3,000, we would have 10x the account. Right now, if I take a mini, right, and I lose $200 3 times, we're back at 1,000. Or we're at like under 1,500. I'd rather be able to lose $500 and still be above 2,500. 3,000, I just feel comfortable. It's like a mental thing for me. Dude, I can't believe I didn't go live yesterday, bro. We had a $1,700 trade. What time frame do you initially spot trades? 5 or 15 minute. Why didn't you alert the trades on your Telegram? Because I don't have to alert anything in the Telegram if I don't want to. I alerted it in my Discord. I'll show you guys where I alerted it in the Discord. Uh, 177.25. And I said green foot, and then over here you can see we're up. And then we're up 600, then 900, then almost 1,000, then 1,300, then 1,500, then 1,700, then I sold. I held this trade. I entered this trade, guys. Where is it? I entered this trade at 6 p.m. I sold it at 11 a.m. Or you hit your goal with them. Bro, I had XRP at 30 cents. Back in the day. And then it went to like $3. And I sold it. I had that shit in like 2020 for like 30 cents. And then I sold it when it got to like $3 this year. Held that shit for 5 years, bro. If your mill came from trading options, bro. You guys gotta understand one thing about options, bro. I was throwing 40,000. Oh, new 4-hour candle. Lock in. But the reason I made so much money trading options is because I was sizing like an absolute idiot, bro. I was throwing 40K into 0 DTs. The most I made in a day was 40K from a day trade. The most I lost in a day was 72K. $40K and 0 DT. Bro, I swear to God, if you guys go to my Twitter and you scroll down to like 2021, 2022, bro, I was a demon throwing mad amounts of money into options plays. And I crinkle my nose. Need to have a wick majority of the time. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, right, you can see that every single 4-hour candle has a wick for the most part, right? It doesn't have to be insanely large, but it does have one. And then you can see when it doesn't have one, like we didn't get down to 587 here, that's an anomaly. Because every other candle usually has a pretty large wick. Even if it goes and sweeps it just barely, that's where a lot of liquidity lies. So this has been a big target for a while. But it doesn't seem like we're going to get it anytime soon. If we do, I'll be happy. You deleted Twitter because you goon too much? Bro, just stop gooning, bro. Get a girlfriend. How much are you putting into place now? I mean, whatever the margin requirement is. That's not how futures work. How much are you putting into place now? You need $300 margin, and I'm using AMP futures. You guys see how much free promotion I'm giving them, bro? No wick is a devil's mark, yeah. Can you show us which indicators you use? Yeah, so my indicator I'm currently using is higher time frame power of 3 by 2 degrees. Can you show us, or do you copy trade? I do copy trade, and this is a 50K on NQ, and then I'm trading this 300 account that I took to 2K. Respect the hustle. Yo, shout out to you, UV. Keep going, bro. You got this. Guys, while we're waiting for a trade, you guys should ask questions, because if we don't get filled by the next hour, then I'm probably just going to hop off stream like I usually do. So that's why I like to... That's why I like to answer these questions and stuff, so you guys gain some value from being here. What does devil's mark usually indicate? Usually means that the market's going to gravitate towards that level because there's a lot of resting liquidity there. How many trades do you take a week on average? Probably like 4 or 5. I'll have like 10, 15 limits, but only like 4 or 5 of them get hit. No way, we're from the same area. When I heard about you, felt happy. Oh, you know, my uncles and stuff. I know your uncles and stuff, bro. What the fuck? No fucking way, bro. Asbury Park? Where's that at? Seaside. It's known for its sandy shore. Bro, I've never been there in my entire life. You guys are on to nothing. Bro, those people that change your diapers and shit. That's crazy, bro. What are your settings for high time frame PO3? I have it set to the 4-hour. So this is gonna come default daily. I have it at 4-hour. Bro, king of the J. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. You want to come to the J, bro? You have to check in. Shinobi from the J. Is London good for trading NQ? Yes. Are you a jockey? Yes. Would you use the same model for swing trading? Yes. Appreciate it, UV. Does Jersey suck? It sucks during the winter, bro. Like, during the winter, I'd be depressed as fuck. But, like, now that it's sunny outside, bro, the sunsets are nice, bro. It's nice out. Do you only trade NQ? For the most part. Do you size down after a loss? No, I keep my size very consistent. Guys, the whole thing about sizing, right? You have to have consistent stop losses and consistent size. So say you're trading 5 mini or like 1 mini. Don't be trading 1 mini, 1 mini, 1 mini with a 10-point stop loss. And then you take a loss and then you go half. Because then you're going to have to get like what? 2R to break even. Just keep consistent size for all of your trades. Do you have long-term port as well? Of course, I do. You use finished auction in order flow? No. Some of you guys, bro, you guys come in here and ask me about concepts that I don't even know about, and then I'm just like, yo, you guys have fell into the trap of just overanalyzing. I have a free course that's on YouTube. I don't have a course link. What about risking more on A+ setups? Don't even risk more on A+ setups. If it's an A+ setup, it'll run on its own. Yeah, it's on this channel. How many months in did you get your first payout? I was, guys, before I already made my first mil trading before I started futures. I ran up a mil trading options, and then I got my first payout within my first month because I was already a profitable trader with futures. So I started with the options, but it took me a year and a half to get profitable with options. And yeah. Oh my god, my headphones died.
Yeah, I'm actually suffering.
Yo, Keyflower.
Shinobi.
What's good?
I said I'm suffering.
Someone said your girl was on your stream, bro, and then you banned him.
What?
Yeah, remember the guy who was trying to get you to date his sister? Verona? He came into my stream, he's like, yo, Key banned me because his girl was in the stream, and then I said, oh, is this the girl you were cheating on? And then you banned him from the stream.
I didn't ban him, I just muted him.
Yeah, you hid the user on the channel.
I don't know. No, I didn't even do it. It was my mods, bro. They did it to him. They did him in. Nah, cause he was being retarded, bro.
Bro, he was like,
That's just a dumbass thing to say.
he was like, he said, I didn't know he actually liked this girl, bro. He was like venting in my chat. He's like, yo, you think she, like, is she bad, bro? I was like, bro, I'm not gonna say if my friend's girl is bad, bro. What kind of questions are you guys asking me?
Fucking idiot, bro. Like, have a little bit of respect.
Have a little bit of respect. Oh, why are you in pain, bro? Talk to me. Oh, Keyflow.
What?
Why did you say you were in pain?
Cause I've been in trade since 9:36 and it's went nowhere.
It's okay, bro. Someone in my chat just said it. Key, let us rate your girl. It was one of my. It was Wob. It was Wob Carry, bro.
Yeah, wow. Bro.
Remember when Wob wouldn't show you his girl, bro?
Yeah, and then we saw her and she looked like his sister.
Oh my! Oh, she did look like his sister. I do remember that. I thought you were about to say something mean.
No, she dead like straight up just looked like his sister. Like I thought they were siblings.
Were your parents okay with you dropping out of university to pursue trade? I didn't tell them that I dropped out. They found out when I moved to Miami and they found out I dropped out, from a letter in the mail. What time of London session is best to trade like macro? Honestly, like, I don't trade London late enough. Like, I only trade like 3 a.m. to like 5 a.m. I don't really stay on for too long, but probably closer to market open, I would assume. Are you in the trade? I'm not in a trade right now. Does it look like I'm in a trade, bro? If you would see a rolling P&L on my screen. What made you keep going? Because this messes with your brain a lot. Keep going for what? If you guys are still, like, people always ask me, they're like, oh, how do I fix my mental of trading? How do I fix my psychology? Bro, just read this fucking book, bro. I've read this book twice this year, or 3 times this year. Alright? Read this shit, and you'll be good. You don't have to fucking buy courses. Buy a fucking, I'll put the PDF link in the Discord. He's talking about the insecurity of trading. Bro, by the time I made my first mill, I had invested it all. I'm not gonna, I mean, you know too much about me already if you know me in person, so I don't want to say too much, but I invested it in places where it's like no matter what happens, like I'll be good, you know. When you guys make money trading, bro, take that money and fucking put some aside for taxes, 35%, and then the rest just throw into a long-term portfolio, throw into wherever, and let that shit grow. Hypothetically, like, if I had taken that entire mill and I would have just thrown it into S&P 500, let's do the math. So, ready, look at this. If I just took that entire mill that I made, let's say whatever, let's say it was mill after taxes in 2021, and I took it and I put it into VOO, bro, I would be up $750,000 on it. Just take your fucking, it doesn't matter if it's 1,000, 500, 100, bro. Every extra cent you have, throw that shit long term, bro. I promise you. By 2020, like, bro, that's what I did with the, guys, during this Iran shit, bro, I have Robinhood calls that are up 670% that are 2 years out. I have Tesla shares and Nvidia shares both at great prices because that initial dump that we had from this Iran news. Bro, I withdrew some of the money we made from the first 300 challenge account. I withdrew like 3 bands. It's at 4K now because I bought QQQ calls, Google calls, Meta calls, Webull calls, and UNH calls all for 2027. Just stop being retarded. And then that way, when you have so much cash tucked away, there's trading secure as fuck. In 1 month, just buying 30 to 50 every other day over the last 40 years, make sure to invest. Bro, that's what I'm saying, Soothsayer. What strategy to use for options? What do you trade options on? Thinkorswim. Yo, Soothslayer, you're not worried about Berkshire dumping when Warren Buffett dies? Even though he doesn't control any of it anymore? Yeah, I don't think so either. I was just wondering what you thought. You know what's crazy? Someone's probably out there that's been shorting Berkshire for the past 10 years thinking Warren Buffett was going to die soon. What does your indicator tell you? Nothing right now. It tells me that this 4-hour candle hasn't done shit. Yo, don't post any links in the chat. Yeah, because then, just for safety reasons, like imagine someone puts like a wallet drainer as a link. I don't think you can either. $44, fire, dude. I was trading the video when it was like $290 back in 2020, 2021. What strategy to use for options, bro? Don't worry about options, bro. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. How many trades do you take after a loss, or do you stop till the next day? It depends. Depends on how the day is. Some days I'll take one loss call it a day. Some days I'll keep trading. Really depends on the day, bro. Gatekeeping final boss. Who would you say was your mentor? I had so many mentors, bro. But I'd give one person, like, a lot of the credit. It's probably Umar. Not for, like, anything he taught me, because honestly, like, it was more so just like the inspiration. Where it's like, oh, it's another brown guy who made it, like, blah, blah, when he was young. He went through this, that, and the other. So it's like, that's what kind of kept me going. Like, yo, he did it, I could do it type of thing. So I give a lot of my credit to him. And plus, he's a fucking amazing trader. Probably the best trader in the industry, which is crazy. Is your stop loss always 10 points? It's always 10 points. I have consistent sizing and consistent stop losses. Where did you get your knowledge of investing? It's self-taught. I learned pretty much on my own. Umar Ashraf, yeah. Yep.
Hello.
What's good, bro? Have you met Usman too? Yeah, I met him at Umar's house. They're both cool as shit. Obviously, I know Umar better. Yo, look, are you back home yet?
No, I gotta go to the doctor's tomorrow and I'm leaving the 26th.
Wait, tomorrow is the 26th.
No, it isn't.
Oh, tomorrow's the
The
25th.
25th. Yeah.
Oh, alright, bet.
Yeah, but like 26, I'm chilling. And then,
Why do you have to go to the
I'm back.
doctors?
Chiropractor from the accident.
Oh.
Yeah.
You seeing any plays right now?
Let me check. I shorted it earlier, but I didn't really. Honestly, I still wanted to go lower. I want ES to go snag those equal lows at the bottom.
Dude, equal lows and highs are patched, bro.
Nah.
They're
You guys
patched.
never leave them. Loki.
It does all the time, bro. It's literally patched.
Yeah. But nah, I kind of just want us to go down. I think that was the high of the week. Maybe we might snag it, but I don't think that we go any higher throughout the week.
Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, false alarm. I thought today was the 25th. My birthday's on Thursday, not tomorrow. So we're good. Now look at Chad, bro. We got the grammar police over here, bro. Now it's starting to
I'm
piss
gonna
me
go
off.
grab.
Alright, peace.
I'll see you when I get back. I'll be
Bet.
more active for sure.
Bet.
This is.
But now it's starting to piss me off, bro. No, I can't look at it. Challenge. There we go. Boom. Couldn't resist. I could tell, bro. You were just sitting there shaking in your boots. Oh, he's got a letter wrong. He was typing too fast. And I'll play it. Thanks for letting me know. Obi-Wan Shinobi. Bro, I'm so annoyed, bro. Like, can we just get this move down and fill us? Well, I really don't want this to just not fill us. It's taking way too long. This is what I hate about Asia session. Sometimes it's just such a slow moving session. Are you okay making a code called OIB? Fuck no. And they wouldn't let you either. You could only get 3-letter codes. How's your mental, bro? Just in life? Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. Nothing to really complain about. Except taxes, bro. Fuck those things. Ugh, fuck taxes, bro. Fuck the IRS. IRS is the most bullshit organization I've ever seen in my life. Move to Dubai, bro? What am I gonna do in Dubai? There isn't shit to do in Dubai, bro. I literally say, like, bro, I do not want to fucking... I don't want to move. I love New Jersey, bro. In the summer. How do you file? I'm not gonna go... Guys, we're not gonna talk about T-words in here, bro. Tax is the T-word. We're not gonna be using that word. We're not gonna talk about it, bro. I gotta think about it enough already. You could file a foreign entity, but that's also how you get audited and fuck. Bro, Canada's currency is so shit. Register corp in Dubai, trade from US. You have to live in Dubai, I think, if you want to do that. Is there order flow level there? Is there your own analysis both? Guys, it's not that simple as TikTok makes it, bro. Asia session is boring. Dude, it's so boring. What's that first zone you got there? This one is a 15-minute unicorn setup. Bro, low-key, I don't think we're going to get filled at all. Just grabbed a 50k eval. Let's go. Did you use code OBI? Because if you didn't, I'm gonna be pissed. Bro, right now, like, tell me why we printed back since... Bro, how... 15, 30... 45 an hour. We've been in this fucking range for an hour, bro. This is bullshit. So it's 9:30, bro. 25 quid. Being so close to all-time high where price often reverses. Johnny Dundee, you're just pulling shit out of your ass, brother. Price doesn't reverse at all-time highs ever. Ever. Let's go. Let's look at this. Ready? This was all-time high. Breaks through, slight pullback, right? And then you have continuation. Then this was all-time high, right? What do you have? Continuation. This was all-time high. Continuation. When you're trading all-time highs, you're only supposed to be longing. Literally. Oh, this was all-time high before. What happens? Continues higher. Now let's go here. This was all-time highs. Continues higher. Continues higher. This was all-time highs during COVID that everyone was watching for the market to reverse from. Largest rally we've seen ever. Oh, we had a pullback over here. Okay, we set a new all-time high. What ends up happening when we get there? We continue higher. We set in a new all-time high over here. What happens when we get there? Continues higher. Oh, I just removed all my drawings. Bullshit. It revered at all time. It reversed that all-time high several times. What are you looking at? The 30-second chart, bro? If it reversed at all-time highs, we wouldn't be trading at all-time highs right now. If it reversed at all-time highs multiple times, the market wouldn't be as high as it is now. The market is made to go up. Every single breakout we've had to the downside is a false breakout. The market is structured to go up. Every single time it's at all-time highs, it displaces higher. That's what happens. Take a chill pill. Shut up, Alex. Don't tell me what to do. Never mind. Alex looks like he could beat my ass. My bad. I apologize. Not playing. Dukes doesn't know what a pullback is. Bro, a pullback or a retracement is not a reversal. When you're using words like reversal, you're talking about it's going up and then it just goes zoom. A retracement is, all right, it retraces and then continues back up. He's talking full-on reversal. Sorry to break it to you, market's never going to zero. Reversal is a trend change? Yeah. What did it do last time at all-time high next day? Well, as you can see, the last time it was at all-time highs, it didn't go for all-time highs. It was 100 points off. Now you're trying to short when we're 500 points off of all-time high, and we just inversed our last bearish PD array. Worst case, we might get a pullback into this PD array and then a move up. But we're not going to inverse this already inversed PD array. Do you trade based off technicals or news? Technicals. Price precedes news every time, guys. Trading news is like it's like trying to chase after a train that's already left. There's people who spend millions a month to get news 1 or 2 seconds faster, and they have multi-million-dollar algos that the second news happens, orders are sent. That's why you're always. There's never going to be a time, guys. There's never a time where you're going to see news happen, go to the chart, and the move hasn't happened yet. Every time you go to the chart, it's already up. It's already down based off the news before you could even type it in. That's why I always say price precedes news, guys. How do we know this? Because we're a bunch of failed news traders. Everyone thought that it's just a greater fool theory. It's literally the greater fool theory when you're trading news. It's like, oh, if I get in faster than someone who's later than me, I could sell my shares to them. I can sell my options to them. I can sell my contracts to them. Not how it works, guys. If you want to do that, just trade meme coins. One minute turns into a big ass doji, waking traders out before moving in their desired direction.
Move into your desired direction.
Oh, Spiffy, you're back.
Yes, well.
Dude, give me a trade, bro. I've been waiting for my long limit since 15 o'clock, bro. Yo, you know who they need to draft the people who use military time first, bro, since they're so eager, bro. I asked someone for the time, bro, and he was like, it's 1700. I was like, bro, what the fuck are you talking about? Are you retarded? And he
Can't even look at this.
What can't you
Can't look at the charts.
Why?
Because when you have an account, when you have a payout pending, then you can't trade your account.
Bro, you don't use TradingView? You actually just use
The alpha shit.
Alpha Ticks, bro. It's so gay. You chart on that? Uh-huh.
It's the same thing.
No, bro. You gotta import your settings every time.
Not every time. Just you do it once. Okay.
Plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talks. Pull up in a space cube. I don't let my plug talk. Skirt. New bitch out of the mind. Plug walk. Entertain the
I got
stream.
delayed data
Why?
because on TradingView I don't have the data. This is so annoying, bro. I just want to, man, and they only let me take half. Oh.
Plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Who up in a space cube? I don't let my plug talk skirt. Low key,
There ain't
guys.
no fucking trades, bro.
Dude, I'm. This might run up a little a little higher before it goes lower.
Mm.
I need one of these to fill.
You one of these to fill.
Plug
What's key flow trading?
walk. Dude, he's about to get stopped out on his shorts.
On go. You got them big ass fucking headphones.
Visible range volume profile in TradingView has been a game changer, and fixed range volume profile. Dude, I think you're overanalyzing volume profile. Oh, dude, this is what I fucking hate trading, bro. You're using fixed range and visible range. You're using two different types of volume profile.
To do what exactly?
Lose money. Not playing. Fixed range manually pinpointing consolidations. I used to use fixed range back in the day, but I was using them based off like swing highs and lows that started the initial moves. Like the leg that would start the move that I'm trading currently is where I would usually mark out my fixed range. I never did it on consolidation zones. Bro, I could just take a nap right now.
You definitely could. Invites who joined. Who's Big Char?
Charlie,
What does he do?
trade.
Is he good?
He's Jewish. No, he's not good. He's actually really bad.
So why is he here?
He's got mad clout. I'm gonna LARP. I literally told him, I'm like, yo, only reason I'm letting you in is so I can LARP the TikTok.
I've never heard of him.
He's pretty funny. He used to work for me back in the day.
Oh.
Need to study order flow strategies more. Order flow labs has a lot of toys for chart, but kind of expensive. Order flow labs sucks, bro. I paid those motherfuckers last year like $200 a month all year because I forgot to cancel my fucking subscription. Yo, free Palestine for sure, but like, why are you coming in a trading YouTube stream to say free Palestine, bro? Oh, because I said Charlie's Jewish. Oh. He's not even from Israel, bro. He's like fucking Ukrainian or some shit. He's also oppressed. Short at 410 at the IVG. Said longs, but just wanted your opinion. 410. I don't like trading a retest of an inverse fair value gap. I'd rather trade this fifth order block we have up here, even though it's not high prob. See ya. Yo, Carney, man. Give us this film, man. See ya.
Yo, Kenny.
Would you say you're financially stable? I would say so. My consideration of financially stable is different. I think I'll be financially stable when I have like 50 M's liquid. Hasn't the order block already been tapped into? You are right. You are right. You do have a point. See, what you're doing is very smart, but it could be very dangerous. 30-minute order block hasn't been tapped into.
It'd also be dangerous.
Define order block now, smarty pants. I ain't doing shit. Matter of fact, I'm not even.
Define order block. Good boy.
Yeah, bro, I'm not falling for your trap, bro. Call me smarty pants and gave up his entire game plan, bro. He gave up the entire playbook for what he was about to do next, bro. I'm not a rookie in this field, bro. Engineered liquidity inside a 4-hour buy side. Oh, I hate all these ICT nerds. Bissy, like you guys are trading bussy, bro. You guys trade the bussy strategy.
That's a fair value guy.
I know. Inside of the 4-hour fucking padussy, bro. What are we doing, dude? What is we doing? The ceasefire is a big deal. That's why I'm long. I want a long down to this low. Bro, wasn't this guy just advocating for shorts as John Dunderfield? Fucking Dunder Mifflin, motherfucker? Now he is short only? No, I have my long order down here. I want to short down to this low and then long it from here. I always felt Budussy sounded so gay. Bro, it is gay, bro. Imagine sitting there doing your analysis and be like, oh, guys, I'm taking this 4-hour Budussy.
Come on, bro. Relax,
Oh,
bro. Please, bro.
I want to fill the
Look at what he said.
What? Who?
John.
What did he say?
Fuck you, I am not sure. Damn, John, I'm sorry, bro.
Wait, which John?
John Dundee, he said, fuck you, I'm not short.
Where did he say that?
In your chat. What the fuck else?
The last fucking message I saw was, well, good luck, hope your plan works. Where did he say, fuck you, I hope I'm not short?
I had to, like, in my little mod thing, I had to, like...
Smart big money, the news in advance from the supply chain. I'm not short until market tells me to. Wait, where's the mod thing? Where's mod view?
No, I allowed it because I thought it was funny.
I don't see
So
it.
you should be able to see it.
Fuck you,
It's
I am
like-
not short. Yo, John Dundee, bro. All right, buddy. John Dundee.
John, bro. It's not that deep, bro.
He's literally been short. He's literally been talking about how he's short this entire time, bro.
John Dundee 77.
He's a Riley Coleman enjoyer, bro. That makes sense. Okay. He's 76?
Why do you say fuck you?
Dude, he's been when I was when I had my log limit, which I still do, he's been like, oh, market reverses all the time. Now that I put in a short to fucking short down to my long, he wants to start talking about ceasefire being bullish, bro. Like, what is this guy on, bro? If it's a green candle, he wants the long. If it's a red candle, he wants the short, bro.
Bro, he just wants to do the exact opposite of what you're doing.
Literally, bro. He just called liar. I'm 6'1". I'm not 6'3". Dundee not cleared up the 76 rumors. Bro, if you guys are gonna call me Unk, bro, you gotta call John Dundee Gramp. Bro, the session's moving so slow right now. I honestly might just hop off stream in like 10 minutes. This is actually bullshit.
Bro.
Johnny, yeah, imagine it's his like nephew or something. We're just shitting on John Dundee, and it's like his fucking grandson on his YouTube account.
Bro, rip John Dundee, bro. 30 years trader and Series 7 broker dealer.
Oh,
Then
yo.
why are you in Shinobi Signals fucking
Yo,
Asia Live?
hey, why are you watching Riley Coleman if you've been 30 years trader, bro? And you're acting like Series 7 is like it's hard to get, bro. Series 7 takes what, like a month to get, bro? Nowhere for like Series 7 broker dealer, bro. I'll have you know, I served in Verdansk, all right? The time it takes to get a Series 7 license varies, but most individuals require a few months. Oh my god, dude, he studied a few months and got a Series 7, which does nothing. except all it does is just make you liable. That was an Aldo reference. Is the shiznit. Oh my god. Someone said, but can you top tick Dundee? $30 and you still don't have as good entries as me, bro. Oh my god. Is Asia patched? No, it's just fucking sideways right now. Children must play. I did IPOs. So you're a has-been, bro. I used to be cool. I did IPOs back in the day. I'll fuck with you, John, bro. That's cool. ICT certificate is called Badissi. Can get a job on Wall Street with a Series 7 sometimes. Bro, who wants a job on Wall Street, bro? Like, that shit's not like the movies, bro. I don't know a single person that I've known who's worked on Wall Street who's like, yeah, bro, so much fun. Like, literally all it is just people pretending to know, like, what they know. Like, pretending to, like, know what they're doing, bro, and it gives them an inflated ego like John Dundee here, bro. Yo, John Dundee, see me on Chart Champs, bro.
See me on
Still gonna keep your limits? Yes, I'll keep my limits.
See me on Chart Champs.
Yeah, bro, if you're not willing to put 100K in escrow on Chart Champs, bro, I want to hear it, bro. Trading using the open price and end of day price only. No chart. Yeah, bro was trading. Bro wasn't looking at charts, bro. He's looking at the quote price. Oh my god, it's the Yo, Solomon, hop on Discord. We're in Discord right now. Yo, he was trading. Wait, hold on. Who's on? Me, Spiffy, and Key. Dude, this is what he was trading, bro. He had the charts printed out on a piece of paper, bro. To see what the broke traders do. Yo, John Dundee, bro. Let's go band for band, bro. Yo, learn how to use your phones first, bro. Learn how to use an Android first, bro, before you talk to me. Let's see what else. Trading. Let's see. Oh, this. You're. You've been trading 30 years, but you have a video. You have a video saved to your playlist on how to learn how to read charts. Ultimate day trading strategy. Outsmart the market makers. I thought you were at market. Let's go through more of the videos you have on your playlist. Brutal message. How good traders. Blah blah blah. I understand, but don't quit. You were thinking about quitting, bro? Damn. Hike and Hashi trading. How to make a living in 1 hour a day, bro. Ford Expedition error codes. You're rich, but you drive a Ford Expedition, bro? You're going to talk to me? Dundee, bro. Come on. I feel so bad because you're old,
Leave
bro.
this guy alone, bro. Leave this guy alone.
Nah, bro. I'm going to hide him before I keep violating him, bro. I feel so bad. Yo, John Dundee, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, sir. I was just joking. No harsh feelings. I hope you still learned something from the channel. But stop trying to fade me on every trade instead of trying to learn, bro. Wait, can you see what the last message he tried posting was? Because I hit him from the channel.
Yeah. I come to these young prop traders to see what broke traders do.
Oh,
That's the last thing he said.
no. He tried post something. And
You already
said,
read that.
Yeah.
I did see it.
Nah, I feel so, like, I would have much rather it be, like, a younger person I was beefing with, bro. I hate getting in things with, older people. Oh, I found his LinkedIn.
Bro. Send it in the chat.
I'm not sending it in the chat. He's been a broker,
Okay,
owner.
well, I'll just find it.
West Coast Regional Registered Rep. 1987 to 1991. American. Bro, he's been working when my dad was born. Holy shit. Expert private client purchase, sale, and financing services. John Dundee.
He sounds pretty good, bro.
Over 4 decades of providing independent private client financing, buyer, seller. Yo, it's just a lot of buzzwords. Real estate investment services for high net. He spelled high net worth wrong in his LinkedIn. Correspondent, financier, developer, builder, contractor, asset manager, investor, market technical, qualified, designated. Bro, not one of these is a complete sentence. He spelled agriculture wrong. Senior technical securities trader in global agriculture commodities, currencies. Dundee, Dunder Mifflin.
He worked at Dunder Mifflin.
Yeah, no, bro, this shit's crazy. You take a chance and add him to a Discord team as a mod, he might just need a little love. Older traders get ordinary when weather comes in and don't take it personal. Your dad was born in 1987? No. He was born, like, 1978 or some shit.
How the fuck is my mom older than your dad?
Dude, your mom's a MILF, bro. I'm sorry.
My mom was born in '69, bro.
Dude, my dad's like 40 something. I think, or
Yeah.
like 50. I don't know. Dundee's nuts. Beefing over the age of 25. Oh my god, bro. The second I started going through his YouTube playlist, bro, I was like, yo, if I don't stop, I'm just gonna keep saying shit. But I didn't want to, but bro, like, how are you gonna flip your bias when I haven't flipped my bias and just try like scaring me out of my own trade, bro? Like, you're acting like I can't just hide you from the channel, bro. Like, I hate when people do that bullshit. Add him back, I don't know how. How crazy would it be if this top ticks and then goes down to our fill, bottom ticks, and then runs all-time highs?
Bro, Dundee would be impressed, bro.
M3CS here.
Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit?
Tips. If you're not tracking your
You know what the vibes are, baby? Let's chill. Let's chill.
Signal bought Luke Tran for 10 points with 12 cons. Luke's not in the Discord right now. What if Dundee was all along? Bro, I'd be surprised. If he flipped from short to long, bro, there's no way he could be wrong. He had both scenarios for long and short.
He's thinking ahead, bro.
Is he in a schlong? A short-term long, possibly?
He could be. Alright, everyone needs to stop flaming John Dundee, bro.
Yeah, he ain't do shit. Free John Dundee, man. Respect the Dund.
No way chicks just be behind a yacht clown.
Oh, let's see. Do you know Keyflow Trades? Yeah, he's in the Discord call with me right now. You trade live on New York session? With my Discord, I do. Spiffy got any limits? No, he just requested a payout. He can't trade again today. Doesn't he have personal? No, Spiffy doesn't trade a personal, I don't think. Spiffy, do you trade a personal?
I'll trade a personal options account, but I can't trade that until New York.
He trades a personal options account. I trade New York Open alone and just YOLO y'all's Asia's trades on amp accounts. Damn, bro. Stop YOLOing my shit, motherfucker. Baby girl. If this is a top tick, I forever call you Chupapi. Bro, this isn't a high probability top tick TBH. Yo, ever since I stopped looking at our view count on how many people we have in the stream, bro, it's been way nicer. Life after being profitable is boring. I wouldn't say bore. I would say your trading just becomes a lot more boring. Which office chair? Bro, this is a discontinued lazy boy, bro. You can't even get these anymore. Instead, I swear to God, it's a discontinued lazy boy, bro. Yo, is that John Dundee on a burner account saying hello, Shinobi? No way is it the Dunder. No, it's not. Getting bored of this. So we need another John Dundee in the chat, bro. I swear to God, we need another John Dundee. This is boring. Shinobi, how long are your pubes? Bro, what the fuck? Yo, this guy's weird as fuck, bro. Shinobi, answer this. Travis or Cardi? Probably Travis. What's a cell limit confluence? 30-minute order block. Are entries based off order flow footprint chart? Delta footprint chart. Yes. No, man, I'm trying to find Keyflow's girl's name. What the fuck is her name? I need her for research purposes. Bro, I'm not telling you, bro. I'm not telling you. You're being weird now. Do you like using volume profile? Not really. Victor, it's been a while since you've been here. Juice or Travis? Probably Travis, bro. Juice just... Why are you guys asking me the same question, yo? You guys are weird. You guys are plotting something. I don't know what it is. I never liked Juice WRLD, bro. Yeah, it is low probability. Short's low probability because the market should be going up. Uzi or Travis? I would probably listen to more Uzi songs than Travis. My strat's gonna be profitable in 10 years, bro. You just have to adapt, bro. Just adapt to market conditions, same way you adapted to being unprofitable. Dude, I'll be listening to some old Uzi songs, bro. Uzi or Thug, bro? I don't listen to Thug, bro. Yo, this guy Joe is waiting for him to send a... You guys gotta give... Like, why are you guys asking me, like... Ask me different people, bro. I don't listen to any of these guys. Answer the pants come off? It's trading view, bro. You still... Dude, I learn about trading every single day. What genre, bro? I mean, mainly rap and stuff, bro. And then, like, you know, throw a little bit of Lana Del Rey in there. R. Kelly or P. Diddy. Yo, free R. Kelly, buddy. Free R. Kelly, free Diddy. Joe said tits are ass. Definitely ass, bro. I listen to a lot of Tory Lanez, a lot of Drake, a lot of Lucky. What else? We got a knowledge line here. We have 50 Cent. I like a lot of 50 Cent. Drake, Lucky, Wiz Havin. What else do we have? Nems. I like Nems. I like Young Dolph. Thought daughter or gay son? Gay son for sure. Road deadass ignored me 3 times. Bro, you keep saying, does your girl call you fatty? What the fuck is that, bro? Do you say the N-word? Yes. What Tory Lanez song do you think is a banger? Bro, I like The Color Violet. I like Wish I Never Met You from the Prison Tapes. I like that entire, like, one album he had that Color Violet was on. What the Hard R? Yeah, no, definitely. Ask the most jacked realtor. So you see me do it and ignore me? This shit's so Kevin. Bro, what? Bro, I was listening to Color Violet before it was a TikTok song, bro. Like, it's not my fault. Oh, I have Benji Bluebills? Wait, Spiffy, what was that one Benji Bluebill song you were playing the other day?
I played a bunch of them.
No, but it was one where I was like, oh, that's a bar.
Oh, let me do my research.
Don't play it, though, because I'll get copyrighted.
I'm not.
What broker let you start with 300 AMP, bro? AMP live. Like, fuck. Yo, Bod, you guys got to answer some of these stupid questions for me sometimes. Lavender Sunflower is good, yeah.
Oh, Bad News Benji.
Bad.
T-shirt wrapper on my, like a Saudi, my.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's what you liked.
Wait, what did he say in that song? Let me see what he said.
Bad News Benji.
Bad News Benji. T-shirt wrapped around my head just like a Saudi. My N-word. I hang out The whips send shit up out the Saudi. That was a bar. You know, should I full port these shorts? No, bro. Yo, Kaushik, I'm not saying that, bro. Oh, I don't like that song, but I don't like Broken a Minute. That song's ass. What would you rate the short setup? Solid, like, 4 out of 10. I make 300,000 when I wake up. Oh, I listen to a lot of Sidhu too. I don't even want the short limit anymore. Just give me longs. Ice JJ Fit. There's something about you, girl, that just makes my head wanna twirl. I used to love that song. Gravedigger Mountain. I don't know what that is. Is that like some young boy shit? Spiffy, what's Gravedigger Mountain?
I don't know, my brother.
Can a young stepper get entry, please? What about Nas, bro? I'm 22, bro. I don't listen to Nas, bro.
She probably brought DDG to one of these little Rock Nation brunches before, and anytime she was trying to shake a little ass on DDG, he was probably like telling her to stop, like chill. Like, you know one of those? Like when you with the girl that's not.
Yo. If we take out this high, I'm removing my long limit and I'm calling it a night. If we take out this high, I'm gonna end stream and call it a night. What the fuck? You ain't 22? Hell nah. Bro, I literally showed my driver's license. You guys are tripping. There's no way I actually look like I'm 40, bro. You guys are fucking tripping, bro. Yo, Spiffy, do I look 40, bro? Oh, he's fucking deafened. Married with 3 kids is crazy, bro. On my dick for what, bro? Realistic 28. I could get like the beard makes me look a little bit older, bro, but not 40 years old, bro. There's no way people look at me and they're like, yo, this motherfucker's 40. You look like you could be my dad? Let's see what Mitchell looks like. Mitchell, you look older than me, bro. It's like that one meme where it's like, are you insecure about your height? Well, I mean, first of all, I'm taller than you. But I'm the same age as your dad. That's crazy. You're 21, bro. I look younger. For sure. Bro, I couldn't even see your face with the helmet. Let's see what Kalshik looks like. Yo, bro, what the fuck is this, bro? This is the motherfucker. Dude, no way. Nah, bro. We're not taking any bullshit from liars, bro. Looks like he wants to. You guys know what he looks like he wants to be, bro? Looks like he's trying to be this dude, bro. Wait, hold on. How do I get the picture bigger? No world this guy looks like he's younger than me, right? Bro's got a full beard and a guitar in his hand, bro. Bro just bullied a viewer. Bro, I'm not bullying anyone, bro. I'm just chatting. Bro, you look like you're at least 28, 32, bro. Like, you look like a fob from India that, like... You know when they, like, pose and throw hella filters on it, bro? And they're, like, trying to be, like, mad Western? Like, that's what you look like. You look like you came to the States for the first time, went to a restaurant, picked up a guitar, and told your homie, bro, please take a photo of me real quick. Let me put my leg up and mess with my mustache so people can see half my face. Bro, this market is so ass right now, bro. Conkeezy. What's up, bro? Ultimate fun is to be on D stream. Be on D stream. Wow. Is it good to goon with limits on? Probably not, bro, if I'm being honest. If we take out that high, guys, I'm removing this limit and calling it a day. Or calling it a night. Should I keep take profit from the previous high? I'm long from 404. 404. I'll have it at this high, 447. Are you taking 341 off? Yeah, I'm going to take off all my limits. I'm about to take 341 off right now. If I catch anything, I'll call it in the Discord. You guys can join the free trial. It's in the bio. That's a 7-day free trial if you guys want to join it. I'm probably going to call it a stream here, guys. 2.5 hours. Not seeing much. We're going to have my birthday stream on Thursday. So everyone, I hope you guys are there because I'm going to be giving away hella accounts. And then hopefully we catch a banger birthday trade. That would be sick. But hey, I love you guys. I'll be on stream tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys are in the free Discord or join the 7-day free trial. It's free. If you get charged, you can ask for a refund. We'll give it. Blah, 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 blah. That's enough shilling. Love you guys. I'll see you guys.